How to buy brownie token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So this token is available on the screener. It's created 4 hours ago and increased by 22,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here are locked by 96%. That's made your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 9 on Binance Smart Chain section. To be able to buy this token, it is simple. Copy the token address from here. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bit wallet. Click on wallet and select the BNB chain from here as a network. Now click here on this plus icon. Place the token address here and click on this plus icon to add this token to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find the token that you just added that called brownie. Click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and make sure that you have enough USDT, of course, on your right. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy brownie token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.